In this video, we want to use a very unknown option. We want to have this page on our view. Meanwhile, we work on the document. Window, new window. So we have a reflection of the document on the left, and on the right is the real document we work on. So we can edit, and the left document is synchronized with our editing page. So we can go on the next page, we can solve the problem. Meanwhile, we can see the description from the first page like before. We can copy our text, we can read, and we can close this reflection with this synchronized document and open when we need it. Thanks for watching and subscribe.